Welcome back to Sam Good Design. Today we show you raised bed garden, beautiful landscaping ideas. Maximizing curb appeal, beautiful raised bed garden landscaping ideas that transform your yard. Imagine stepping out your front door to a yard that turns heads. Raised bed gardens do just that. They lift plants off the ground for easy care and sharp looks. You control the soil, reach everything without bending much, and create neat borders. These beds shine in flower displays or veggie patches. They blend functions with style to boost your home's charm. Ready to see how? Let's explore ideas that make the space pop. Foundation and form. Choosing the right raised bed structure. Pick a strong base and your raised bed garden will last. The right choice shapes your whole yard's vibe. Material matters, aesthetics and durability. Wood brings warmth to any spot. Cedar resists rot and keeps a rich red tone for years. Redwood offers similar perks, but costs more. Go for composite wood if you want low upkeep. It looks like real timber without the splinters. Metal sheets like galvanized steel add a sleek, modern edge. They heat up fast, so pair them with heat-loving plants. Stone or brick gives a timeless feel. Stack bricks for curves that soften straight lines. Synthetics mimic stone at half the price. Think about upkeep too. Stain wood early to deepen its color and protect it. A dark finish hides dirt on busy paths. Costs vary. Basic wood kits start at $15 per bed, while stone can hit $200. Durability wins out. Metal lasts 20 years with no fuss. Design shapes beyond the square. Skip plain boxes for fun twists. Curve a bed around a tree to hug your yard's natural flow. Tiered setups stack levels like steps. Great for sloped land. Each layer holds different plants, adding depth. Hexagon shapes draw eyes in patios. Diamonds fit tight corners near doors. Blend beds into walls with built-in seats from the same wood. This forms break monotony. A curved cedar bed with herbs softens a stark fence. Multi-level ones in brick create mini terraces or blooms. Strategic placement for maximum impact. Where you put beds changes everything. Aim views from your windows right at the end. Place a tall one near the entry to greet guests. Use beds to split yard zones, like a veggie area from a chill spot. Line them along paths or borders that guide steps. Focal points work best off-center, so they pull focus without crowding. In small yards, cluster 3 beds in a triangle. This setup frames a bench. Big spaces, space them out to frame homes. Always check sun needs. South-facing spots suit most plants. Friends, thank you for watching. If you liked this video about raised bed ideas, please subscribe and share with your friends. You've been watching the Landscape Design channel. Same good design